Welcome to EDUC 455 Online Section 5. Welcome you, Rayleigh, Danielle, Mary, Rachel, and Ryan. I just want to go over parts of the syllabus, not in its entirety, but just a few things, and then we will meet online on Tuesday night at 7 to go over the synthesis research and the entirety of the syllabus. So let's get started. This is your home page here. Inside your home page is where you're going to find announcements for the class. Your first announcement is located here and already posted. We will meet online in Google Hangout to review the syllabus and to discuss educational research synthesis paper on Tuesday, October 16th at 7 p.m. You will receive an invitation shortly before 7 p.m. via email. If you can't make this assignment or appointment, you need to let me know. Your course contacts are here. I'm Dr. Terry Bethea-Hampton. I'm located in Taylor Hall, 2258. My phone number is 910-893-1715. My office hours are listed. You can call me and leave a message. I'll return your call within 48 hours. You can also send me an email and I will return your email within 48 hours. If you'd like to set up a telephone conference with me, you can go to my link at https Bethea-Hampton. You can book me and you can you'll see my calendar there, and you can post the time that you'd like to meet in conference with me by telephone. If you have problems with your technology, you can contact the help desk. If you have problems with Blackboard, Blackboard is open 24/7, and there's someone there to give you support in Blackboard. Syllabus is posted, and we'll go over the syllabus in its entirety on Tuesday night. Your course calendar is listed here. I use the same format each week for your learning outcomes and your formative assessment measurements. So as you can see here, the weeks are listed. You have a couple of short weeks. November 26th is a 6-week week, and then November 2nd or December 2nd through the 7th is a 6-day week. And if I said week, I didn't mean to. November 26th through the 1st is a 6-day week. The rest of them are 7-day weeks. So it gives you a little bit more time, at least one more day to get your assignments done. Discussion board questions are posted each week and are due on Thursday night by 7 or by 11 p.m. If you don't post by 11 p.m., you don't get credit for your discussion questions because the new week starts on Sunday. And if you haven't posted by Thursday night, you don't give anybody else time to post to your post or to make comments to your post. And it's too late to start a discussion if you're going to start a discussion after Thursday night. So make sure you post by Thursday, 11 p.m. for your weekly discussion questions. In the first week for the discussion question, you'll introduce yourself. You will create a YouTube, make that YouTube link public. You will post the link inside a discussion forum. And also you need to complete the Google Form survey, and the link to the survey is posted inside of discussion board question 1. Weekly content is where you'll find your work each week. As again, like I said before, I use the same format. Your incremental learning outcomes are posted, and the way the formative assessments are observed that week is also posted. You click inside each week and you will find your assignment there, and the points for the assignment is also posted. To complete the assignment, you just click on that assignment and you'll see where the assignment needs to be uploaded, and you also see how many possible points that assignment is worth. In writing your synthesis paper, you'll find that you have links to the American Psychology Association Citation Manual. You also have links to the Wiggins Memorial Library and you have a link to research administration or assistance in the, also a research assistance librarian link is also posted. If you have any questions concerning the syllabus, take a look at it between tonight and Tuesday night. When we meet online on Tuesday night, make sure you have your questions ready, and I will answer any questions you have about the syllabus, your paper, or any of the assignments at that time. Also, make sure that you have a login to TK20. You do have an assignment that will be posted to TK20. And thank you so much. I look forward to working with you, and have a great semester.